Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to give access to a recorded video in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful when you need to share meeting recordings with team members who may have missed the session or with external collaborators who need to review the content. First, open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the team where the recording is stored, as this will ensure you have the proper permissions to share the file. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Teams. This section houses all the teams and channels you're a part of, making it easy to locate where your recorded video is stored. Next, click on the channel that contains the recorded video you want to share. Teams automatically saves meeting recordings to the channel where the meeting took place, so if you remember which channel hosted the meeting, you'll find the recording there. At the top of the channel page, click on Shared or Files. This tab is where all documents, recordings, and other files shared within that channel are organized and stored. It's your central hub for accessing any content that's been uploaded or generated in the channel. You should now see a folder named Recordings. Click on it to open the folder. Microsoft Teams automatically creates this folder to keep all your meeting recordings organized and separate from other files in the channel. Inside the Recordings folder, find the specific recorded video file you want to share. Once you've located it, click the three dots beside it. This will open a menu with several options for managing the file. From the menu, click Manage Access. This is where you can control who has permission to view or edit the recording, giving you full control over your content's security and distribution. Now click Start Sharing. This action opens up the sharing interface where you can specify exactly who should receive access to the video. In the field that appears, input a name, group, or email address of the person or people you want to give access to. You can add multiple recipients if needed, making it easy to share with entire teams or specific individuals at once. If you'd like to include a message with the sharing invitation, go ahead and input one in the message field. This is optional but can be helpful for providing context about why you're sharing the video or what the recipient should pay attention to. Finally, click Send to complete the process. The selected individuals will now receive an invitation with access to the recorded video, and they'll be able to view it at their convenience. And that's it. You've successfully shared access to a recorded video in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.